What's up? In this video, we're going to talk about adding to songs. One way to do that is by using fills. A fill in scratching is a short scratch phrase played over a song to complement its rhythm. You can add fills in the middle of a song or right before a transition. Technically, a fill can be any length, but they're usually 1 or 2 bars long. Some can be as short as a quarter of a bar. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. I'm going to scratch the kick drum from beat 1. All right, here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those were examples of fills. We played them in the 1st and 5th measures. In the next example, we're going to take things a step further. This time, we'll play the fills again, and we're going to also add one more fill right before transitioning into a song. I'm using the kick drum from beat 1, so when I finish the last fill, I'm going to drop on beat 1. One more thing. It's important to drop on beat so that mixing it off. Got it? Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. When scratching fills, everything you decide to do should be based on the track you're scratching over, as well as your own style and preferences. What you choose to do is completely up to you, so have fun and be creative. In the meantime, practice everything we covered because we'll be stepping it up in the next video. Make sure to share this with a friend. Peace.